Could be one of the most significant issues the Supreme Court has dealt with in decades. Can you be fired for being gay or transgender?
As ABC's Elizabeth Hur tells us, the cases being heard today are the first to address whether federal anti-discrimination laws protect LGBTQ workers.
This morning, gay and transgender rights are in the spotlight as the Supreme Court returns to session. In 3 potentially landmark cases, the High Court is expected to decide whether millions of LGBTQ Americans are protected under federal anti-discrimination laws, which prohibit employers from terminating workers because of their sex.
The day is finally here.
It's the first time a transgender civil rights case comes before the court. Amy Stevens says she was fired from her job as a funeral director in Detroit after she revealed her plans to transition from male to female.
Here I put the time in, done my job and did it very well. And now all of a sudden they don't need me anymore.
The funeral home says Stevens was fired for not complying with the dress code for men, even though she was dressed professionally as a woman. The court will also hear the case of Gerald Bostock, who was fired from his job with Child Welfare Services in Clayton County, Georgia. The county fired Bostock after claiming an audit found he had misspent money. But Bostock says he was fired after joining a gay softball league.
Within months of that decision, there were negative comments about my sexual orientation. There were disparaging comments about the fact I was participating in a gay softball.
The third case involves a former skydiving instructor from New York. Donald Zarda was fired in 2010 after telling a female client who was strapped to him for a jump not to worry about the close contact because he was, quote, 100% gay. The skydiving company insists he was not fired because of his sexual orientation, but because he shared inappropriate personal information with a client. Zarda's sister is pursuing the case even after Donald died in an accident in 2014. Elizabeth Hur, ABC News, New York.